How to change music on Instagram story after posting. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change music on Instagram story after posting. First of all, open Instagram. Click on your story. Then click on three dots for more. Click on delete from both Facebook and Instagram. Select the photo again. Tap on the music icon. Select a new song you want to put on. Don't forget about the volume. You can control how loud or soft the music is compared to your video or photo. Click Done from the top right corner. Click on Add to your story. And then you need to click on Share. That's how you can change music on Instagram stories. Also, check out our video on how to unblock someone on Instagram Laptop 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.